Hello students, in this video we are going to read this chapter and I will explain you one by one paragraph. Okay, so watch this video very attentively. This is your chapter number 10, the clever frog. Okay, the clever frog. As you know, clever means intelligent. It was a hot day. How was the day? Hot, okay, not cold. It was a hot day. The sun was shining brightly in the sky. What was shining in the sky? Moon or sun? You can say that sun was shining brightly in the sky, okay. A little frog was jumping here and there. You can see here a little frog was jumping here and there. Because this is the habit of frogs, they always hop here and there, and so the little frog was jumping here and there. He was feeling very hot and tired. Suddenly he saw a pond filled with water. He quickly jumped into it. Suddenly, what he saw? He saw a pond of water filled with water, and quickly he jumped into the pond. Who jumped? The frog jumped into the pond. Okay. The frog swam in the cool water for a long time. Now he felt better. When the frog swam in the cool water for a long time, then he felt better. Okay. He came out of the pond and he started looking for a cool place to rest. When he came out of the pond, then he started looking for a cool place where he may take rest. Okay. He saw a big rock. You can see here, this is the big rock, and he jumped onto it, and the frog jumped onto the rock. Then he looked around. He spotted a bush on top of a hill. Okay, what he spotted? A bush that was on top of the hill. Hope you understood. He thought that seems to be a good place. He started hopping towards it. The frog thought that the bush on the top of a hill was a good place to take rest. He started hopping towards it. There was a tiger sitting under a tree. But you know that there was a tiger sitting under a tree and he was looking for food. He saw the frog and thought, I am hungry and cannot find any big animal. The tiger thought that he was hungry and he cannot find any big animal. Now let me eat this frog at once. He pounced on the frog and caught him. Look at here. He pounced on the frog and caught him. Who caught him? Tiger. Okay. The frog was very afraid. He said, wait, Mr. Tiger, I know you want to eat me, but I am so dirty. Who said I am so dirty? Frog said that I am so dirty. Let me wash myself, then you can eat me. I will be clean and tasty to eat. The frog said that I am so dirty. Let me clean myself so that I will be clean and tasty to eat. The tiger thought for some time. Then he said, I think you are right. Who said you are right? Tiger said that I think the frog is right. I should not eat a dirty frog. I can be sick. Go and Wash yourself quickly. Who said? Tiger said that go and wash yourself quickly. I am waiting here for you, but come back soon. Saying this, the tiger let the frog go. Now, the frog hop. The frog hopped to the pond and jumped into it. Then he waved to the tiger. The tiger smiled at him. The frog turned around. He swam away as fast as he could. Soon the tiger could not see him anywhere. Now, when the frog go into the pond, he jumped. Then he waved to the tiger and the tiger smiled at him. The frog turned around and he swam as fast as he could. And soon the tiger could not see him because the frog was going so far. The tiger went near the pond. He waited and waited for the frog to come out. Look at here, the tiger was waiting here and he waited for a very long time. Then he lay down. The tiger lay down, then by the side of the pond. Soon he was fast asleep, and soon the tiger slept. Okay, so this is the story of the chapter The Clever Frog. Now I am telling you this story in Hindi. Okay, so listen it very carefully. It was a hot day. एक क्या था, गर्मी का दिन था. The sun was shining brightly. जो आकाश में जो सूर्य था वो बहुत ज़्यादा चमक रहा था. लिटिल फ्रॉग जंपिंग हियर एंड देयर. और छोटा सा एक जो फ्रॉग था वो यहाँ वहाँ कूद रहा था. ही वॉज फीलिंग वेरी हॉट एंड टायर्ड. जब वह कूदेगा तो जाहिर सी बात है उसे गर्मी लगेगी. नाउ ही वॉज फीलिंग हॉट एंड टायर्ड. सडनली ही सॉ फॉन. उसने एक फॉन देखा और वो वाटर में जंप कर गया. क्विकली जंप किया और बहुत देर तक उस ठंडे पानी में बहुत ही स्वयं तैरता रहा. एंड ही फेल्ट बेटर. अब उसे अच्छा लगने लगा. ही केम आउट. वो बाहर निकला और उसने अपने लिए एक ठंडा स्थान देखने लगा जहाँ वो रेस्ट कर सके. उसे एक दिखाई भी दिया जो कि कहाँ पर था. पहाड़ी के पास में था. एक बुश थी, झाड़ी थी वहाँ पर. दैट सीम टू. और उसे वो अच्छा प्लेस लगा और वो धीरे धीरे उसके आगे पहाड़ी की तरफ बढ़ने लगा. बट उसे यह नहीं पता था कि इस पहाड़ी के पीछे पेड़ के नीचे एक टाइगर है. ओके, तो उसने क्या किया, वो वहाँ गया. बट वो जो टाइगर जो पेड़ के पास पेड़ के नीचे बैठा था वो भूखा था. उसने फ्रॉग को देखा और सोचा कि मैं भूखा हूँ और मुझे कोई बड़ा एनिमल तो मिलेगा नहीं, इसलिए मैं इस फ्रॉग को खा लेता हूँ. टाइगर ने फ्रॉग को पकड़ लिया. द फ्रॉग बहुत डर गया, अफ्रेड हो गया. बट ही वॉज क्लेवर. लेकिन जो फ्रॉग था वो क्लेवर था, इंटेलिजेंट था. ही सेड. ने कहा वेट मिस्टर टाइगर, मेरा वेट करिए, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा हूँ और आई नो, मुझे पता है कि आप मुझे खाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन मैं बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा हूँ. मुझे सब पहले वॉश कर ले लीजिए खुद को, जिससे कि मैं साफ़ होके आपको और भी टेस्टी लगूँ. द टाइगर थॉट. उस टाइगर ने सोचा थोड़ी देर के लिए. देन सैड. आई थिंक कि तुम सही हो, तुम जाओ अपने आप को वॉश करके आ जाओ जल्दी से. ठीक है. आई एम वेटिंग हियर फॉर यू. और मैं तुम्हारा यहाँ इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. हु सेड? टाइगर. जल्दी ही टाइगर चला गया, फ्रॉग चला गया और पॉन्ड में जाते ही वो उसकी तरफ वेट करता है, हैंड को मूव करता है साइड बाई साइड. देन इतनी तेज़ से वो वहाँ से स्वयं करके निकल जाता है जितनी तेज़ वो कर सकता था. टाइगर क्या होता है, अब वो टाइगर उसको नहीं देख पाता है क्योंकि वो बहुत दूर चला जाता है. टाइगर वेंट नियर द पॉन्ड. टाइगर फ़ोन के पास में जाता है और बहुत देर तक उसका इंतज़ार करता रहता है। ही वेटेड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। देन क्या करता है, वो वहाँ पे बैठ जाता है, लेट जाता है और जल्दी ही वो क्या करता है, सो जाता है। कौन? टाइगर। ओके, सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ चैप्टर 10। थैंक यू।